Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox an item that I ordered last January 4 of this year, and it's just arrived January 9, and we're going to unbox this and we're going to open it now. As you know, for the past weeks, I've been collecting white shirt, and a friend of mine from Instagram and Facebook recommended me to order this iconic and classic CRISPA white shirt of 1948 or 48. I think it's CRISPA 48. As you know, CRISPA is very popular when I was in elementary, high school, and in college. There was a basketball team, CRISPA basketball team, and they were the number one basketball team in the Philippines then. Actually, they started the Philippine Basketball Association, or PBA, and but one thing is sure, this kind of white t-shirt is very popular then for students, for everybody for that matter, and this is really very popular as an undershirt or outer shirt, because as you know, the temperature or weather here in the Philippines is very hot and humid, and most of the people here use white shirt for comfort, and according to feedback, this is a very durable shirt. So I think this is a revival of the company name CRISPA, and because of the recommendation of my friend, I looked for the website, and I found out that they are offering this kind of model, and there is another color black, and there is another green. I think those are their iconic colors. During the early times, they have white, black, and the green one. And what is good about this revival of this company is that they have a shirt where the worth of the shirt is being donated to the victims of Typhoon Odette, a very nice charity. So I got the size medium because as I inspected the size chart, I found out that my body has the same size with medium. So I opted to get medium, and I got 2 pieces of this white shirt coming from CRISPA. So we're going to open, and we'll open one. Oh, very nice. It has rib neck. It's nice. The fabric is thick, very comfortable, and there. We'll try to measure. There are only two important measurements that I really base on the size of my shirts. First is the pit to pit, from one armpit to another armpit measurement, from here, the armpit, and here. And then the other one is the shoulder measurement, from the top of the shoulder up to the other side. So we will try to measure first the pit. So it appears that this is maybe 21 inches, 21 inches, and the shoulder size is 17. So the shoulder size is 17, and the pit to pit armpit size is, we'll measure it again just to be sure, 21. You have 17 on the shoulder and 21 on the body. I don't care how long is the length, as long as it will fit me, and I'm sure this is a good fit for me. Okay, it's nice. I think I'm going back to my high school days and college days wearing this kind of shirt from CRISPA. This is reliving those days while I was in the elementary, high school, and college. Okay, the packaging is very simple. You can see it is 100% cotton, and it says there 100% Filipino. Actually, CRISPA is really a Filipino brand, something to be proud of. And one of the reasons why I'm buying this item is it's one way of showing my support to the local brands of the Philippines. This is a proud Filipino item, Filipino made, and we have to support this. And we have a tab here. It says medium CRISPA, and it has a logo, and it says there the thread of a Filipino. And at the back it says red marais. For most of the clothings that you can see, you will read some term as sunfurize. This is the Filipino way of telling their product as a la sunfurize or red marais. It means that it says creating the best fit possible, resilient against stretching and resilient against shrinking. So that means that this is very durable. There's no shrinkage at all. It's 100% cotton, and it says there's no stretching. The properties of 100% cotton is that it does not stretch, not unless you introduce some elastane. That's the time that the fabric becomes stretchable. But this one, the cotton, since it is 100% cotton, it's not stretchable and it's not have tendency to shrink at all. So by and all is this shirt is very comfortable and at the same time durable. So in the next video we'll see how this shirt fits to myself. Since it is medium, the arm pit to pit size is 21 inches and the shoulder size is 17 inches. You can see some seam on the side since this is not a loop wheel shirt, but you can see how neat the stitching. Very neat, very nice, all the way down to the hem. For a price of 490 pesos, it's very cheap. So 490, I ordered 2, and then they charged me 80 pesos for the shipping. But if you order 3, the shipping is free. So I did not know that offer. So I found out of free shipping for 3 pieces of t-shirts only when I put my order already. So it's okay. It's a good deal. 490 pesos. It's cheaper than buying a Uniglo, which is 590, but still you are supporting a local brand, which is in itself a heritage of Filipino product. We have the white, you can order the white one, the black one, and the green one. And if you want to donate some charity to the victims of Typhoon Odette, you can order a special t-shirt from them, and whatever the payment you paid for each shirt, you're going to give that amount of money to the victims of Typhoon Odette. A very nice, a very nice charity, a very nice cause for a local product in the Philippines. So, mabuhay ang CRISPA, and I hope your business will thrive, and I hope this video will be spread to more Filipinos and be able to love again this brand, which is a very, very nice brand. It says about durability, quality, and comfort. We'll go now to the fit video on this shirt.